How to fix Snapchat filter lag on Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem on Snapchat. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just go and open settings of your phone. Then you will go directly to apps or applications, and then you will search just for Snapchat. And on Snapchat guys, you have to go to storage, and you have to go to clear data, click OK, back again, and go to first app, click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.